how small. The scope's there if you want to have a look at it. Just wire in for just anywhere. It'll go up and down if you're not used to it. It's gonna, I can tighten it up if you want. Yeah, this time of year there's some strange looking.
No, I thought that little bit was a roll.
A little bit.
I want it all no.
All right.
That was a young bull flying towards us. He sort of came out at grade.
But if you are thinking of going down, if you happen to go down to the Blackstock, it's roosting on the Heligoland trap.
It's gone.
Has it? And did it go today, did it?
About 10:20.
You know the one that's got a ring on it in France, and it's the one in Loch of Strathbeg is the same bloody family. It's incredible, isn't it?
Well, I think there's 8 in there, in the country.
That wouldn't surprise me.
One in Dorset, one in